Hi guys, welcome to Berlin Chelsea Oracle. If you want to know how to identify between who is your twin flame and who's a karmic and who's a soulmate, I have actually started this series called Twin Flame Frequency Files, and in this I tell you all how to identify who could be your twin flame. And it is very easy to get confused because a twin flame is rare, but you know the twin flame love and karmic love is somewhat similar sometimes, so there are a lot of chances of getting confused. So that's why I thought I will tell you one of the ways you can identify is that who is your twin flame is that if there is a time when you all have been separated or is not even separated, or if you all are not talking, or someone ends up talking something bad or something ill against your twin flame, you will not be able to stand it. Why? One, because they are part of your soul, and the second thing is that you might fight with them, they might have treated you badly, they might have caused you an harm. But again, mind you, I'm not saying harm by hitting you or by like causing damage to you. Harm as in maybe a trigger, they might have triggered something in you, or maybe you'll have a fight or there's separation, whatever it is, but you will always have a soft corner for your twin flame, and you will not be able to stand anybody speaking against them anything. Like, because it's like indirectly they are speaking about you only, because they are speaking about your twin flame who is your soul. So that is one of the ways you can identify who's your twin flame, because I'm not saying in a toxic way. If they are wrong, they are wrong, but sometimes it's like you cannot stand anybody putting your twin flame down or saying something which may be not true about your twin flame. So you will end up having some sort of internal, I can't even call it rage, but something, or you might stand up for your twin flame, because at the end of the day, again I'm repeating it again and again, they are part of your soul. So you will not be able to take if someone is talking about you, same way you will not be able to take if someone is talking about your twin flame. If you all want more such ways of who is your twin flame or how to identify your twin flame, make sure you are following me and you have subscribed on my YouTube page.